Hello, my name is Maura Alejandra Garcia. I am studying UNA in the course Health Management. I will give my point of view on impact of technology on the environment. Technological development has led to the transformation of people's living conditions, a reduction in mortality and increase in life expectancy as a result. The world population has multiplied. Many events have been needed that have using different aspects of life, such as education, health and work. From my point of view, I could start by saying that the impact of technology or the environment has advantages and disadvantages. An example of these are fossil fuels that move the ends of land streams and transatlantic that carry products to different parts of the world, moving the global economic which is a great advantage for economic development. However, it has a great disadvantage because they release large amount of that populate the environment, but in cities and in this global warming by the greenhouse effect. In the same way, there are many technologies that help in the process of improving the quality of life, but they sometimes have negative aspects, which is why I suggest to the technology industry. The review and testing of different inventions before being marketed, taking into account both positive and negative. There is damage to the environment and the ecosystem. It is time to create environmental awareness because it will continue as this path. The degradation of the planet will reach the point of return, and we will have no planet to inhabit. I would like to conclude by emphasizing that we must really the solution of environment problems to a global approach. The solution does not come only from technology but also from the social aspect through and through formation of all art to the very good. Thank you for your attention.